your CPU is holding back your GPU to getting FPS drops every 10-20 minutes, or your game just feels unstable, this video will fix it. I had this exact problem in PUBG and some competitive games, and after I applied these settings that I'm going to show you in this video, it's completely gone and it feels everything smooth. This is not magic, we're not upgrading hardware, but we're removing limits from Windows so your CPU and GPU can perform properly. Before we start, create a restore point. Just search create restore point. Like that, create a restore point, click on that and click on create. Give it a name and create. I already did that. So in case if something went wrong, alright, so you can have a restore point if you want to undo everything safely. Next step, you have to activate the power or the ultimate power plan. You will see in the description of this video the command that we are going to use to activate the ultimate power plan. So all you need is to copy this command and go to search for a CMD or command prompt and run it as administrator. Click yes and paste the command right here and click enter. I already did that. So once you do that, you want to go to power options or click type edit power plan like so and click on that. And then from here you have to click on power options, and then you will see the ultimate performance has been added to your power plan. So you have to select the ultimate performance and click on change plan settings from here and then select turn off display to never end. This is up to you, and click on change advanced power settings and scroll down to processor power management. Open it up and minimum processor state should be 100% and the maximum processor state also should be 100%. Once you have done that, click apply and OK. Now another step which is very important. We are proprietizing games in Windows in registry. Alright, so this path you have to copy it and then go to registry editor, click yes, and then from here it will look like this. Let me show you. So you have to do everything that I do carefully so you will be able to have smooth gaming experience. Right here, select all this path and control V. Alright, hit enter. Now you will see these steps. It should be like me. Alright, focus. Now you have to go to GPU priority. As you can see, I'll double click on it and give it 8. Alright, the value data should be 8 and click OK, and priority, as you can see, should be 6. Okay, give it 6 and click OK. And the last one, which is scheduling category, double click on it and type high like so, H capital IGH, and click OK. We're done here. Settings will automatically saved in registry, but in the end we have to restart the computer. Alright, close this and let's move to the next step. If you're asking or wondering what this registry did or do, it actually helps Windows propertize your game properly. That's it. We're saying to next step, go to search and type msconfig or system configuration, and then go to services section, click on hide all Microsoft services, and in here you might find a lot of services that eat in your CPU. As you can see, click on status to see the running services up, and you can by yourself disable services that are unnecessary. Again, Just do not disable everything or don't mess around with these services because it will affect your Windows. Okay, as you can see, I just disabled these advanced system care services because I don't need it, and that's it. If you like to disable Google updates and something like that, you know, and once you have done that, click apply and go to startup action, startup section. Click on open task manager. From here, this is important, and in here you will see a lot of apps that are starting with your Windows. We don't want that. Just disable everything except apps that you want to start with Windows, like antivirus, like you choose whatever you want. For me, as you can see, I just let FX Sound because I need it, Reality HD Audio Manager, Steam. As you can see, that's what I think I have 4 apps that are running with my Windows. In your case, if you have a low-end computer, just disable everything, and if you need any application, you can manually access to it. All right, that's it in this step. Once you have done that, click OK. Restart required, but exit without restart. We will restart later. Now another step which is very important, we're going to disable power throttling from group policy to prevent Windows from limiting performance in the background. How to do that? Search for edit group policy, click on it. Once you are here, you have to go to administrative templates from here, and then system, and then scroll down to power management. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can take a look at here and see power throttling settings. Double click on it and you will see turn off power throttling. Double click on it and enable. So if we enable, it means we turn off the power throttling. If you click enable, that means you are enabling you are disabling, the power throttling. Click apply, OK, and you're done. Next step, which is visual effects, and you have to click on view or type view advanced system settings. From here, click on that and click under the performance section, click on settings, and on visual effects, click on custom, and you can enable animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, and you can enable smooth edge of screen font and use drop shadows for icon and labels on the desktop. It helps you to see the icons more clearly in your desktop, and you can enable also show thumbnail instead of icons, like so. That's it. Click apply and hit OK. We're not going to mess around with the virtual memory. Just let it automatically manage paging file size for all drives. That is perfect, I guess. Make sure you adjust for the best performance of program, not the background services. All right, so make sure you have it on programs. Once you've done that, hit apply and OK and OK again. Now let's go to settings on Windows. Click on start menu, click on settings. In here you want to go to privacy and scroll down until you see the background apps. This is what eating your CPU, so make sure you have disabled the background apps. Just turn it off. Go back and go to gaming. This is important. The game bar should be turned off. Make sure you turn off the game bar and go to the game mode and make sure it's enabled. So enable the game mode, and from here, from the graphics settings, click on that and enable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Okay, it reduces the latency and improve the performance. Okay, once you've done that, click on browse to add the game you want to give it the high performance. It's simply click on browse and choose the game where you install your games. Just browse a game, click on add, double click on it, it will be added in here, and click on it, options, and select high performance and click save. That's it. I did that with Forza Horizon 5 sorry, and also with PUBG competitive games, because I play FPS games a lot, by the way. And option again, high performance. All right, that's it. Restart required in the end. Now let's go to NVIDIA control panel. Right click on your desktop and click on NVIDIA control panel. I'm going to show you some settings that might help you to fix bottleneck, drop FPS, and stuff like that you don't want. Go to manage 3D settings and global settings, that set everything automatically by default. All right, you don't have to mess with that. In program settings, you can add the game that you want to improve or optimize. For example, as you can see, I have been added PUBG in here, and as you can see, everything, it will be off, from image scaling off, and as you can see, everything is off until the low latency. Make sure you have turned on low latency on your games. If you have high-end or low-end graphics card, just let it on. If you have high-end graphics card, you can try ultra. All right, and the OpenGL compatibility, prefer performance, change it to prefer performance, and the power management mode, which is important, prefer maximum performance. It allows you, your GPU, to work on high performance. All right, you don't have to worry about blowing up your GPU. Okay, texture filtering off, and texture filtering negative LOD base, just allow texture filtering quality high performance. This is very important. Texture filtering throttling optimization on, and second one on. That's it. The vertical sync, it's up to you, depends on your monitor, depends on many things, but I recommend you to change it to off. Just make it off. Okay, I did fast because I have stutters on my screen, so you can also try fast or off, but I suggest you to make it off. Okay, that's it in NVIDIA control panel, in manage 3D, I mean, and you have to go now to configure surround physics. Just change to your processor, change it to your GPU instead of CPU, and change resolution, scroll down. You can use NVIDIA color, that depends on your colors, doesn't affect FPS. Yeah, right here, adjust desktop size and position. Make sure you have it on full screen, scaling on full screen, and perform scaling on CPU, I guess. Yeah, not the display, just on CPU. And once you have done that, just close this window, and congratulations, you're done fixing the bottleneck. It's safe. And by the way, this won't remove a hardware bottleneck, but it will give you smoother gameplay, fewer drops, and better stability. That's exactly what you need in competitive games. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more real performance fixes. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.